I did a video on the Troy-Bilt kind of bush hog thing that comes with, it's like a package deal with a brand new weed eater, and it was dull, it didn't work, so I sharpened up the edges here of the blade, and it worked a lot better. And it didn't do too bad, it wasn't terrible, but this year, I want to see, I don't even know if it'll work yet, but I'm going to take a circular saw. I'm going to take this blade off and put this guy on there, and I don't know, I guess pray that it works. We're gonna see. Hopefully this hole isn't too big here in the center. If it is, we can try to see if we got some bushings or whatnot. But let's kind of take that off, take a look at it, and see if we can get it mounted and try it out. All right, so for some reason, whether it be the fact that it just dropped on the ground or it's just the way this is torquing it down, which is more or less probably it, the blade is actually a little bit bent. So let's go hook up. We're gonna get the weed eater and we'll hook it up and we'll try it out. Let's put on the attachment. And see if this guy, which has a wobbly blade, can cut anything, or is it just gonna shatter and hit my shins? Ooh, let's see if it starts. So it doesn't feel like many vibrations, so I think it's safe to try it out. I got my boots on, so if it wants to shatter, I'll be safe. Let's try it out. All right, so pretty much the point of this is I have a whole bunch of these honeysuckle trees all over my property, and the chainsaw gets them, but you have to bend down all the time. It'd be nice if you just walk through and just chop them out. It cuts like butter! It cuts extremely well. Let's go try to find something a little bit thicker here. Man, I cut good. Here, we'll just cut that section down. Get it out of our way. So if you look at it, I can only go so deep because of the little safety guard thing here. So if you don't rest this guy on the log or tree that you're cutting, like right here, then it wants to throw you, obviously. So rest it on there and it cuts right through it. So that vine, I mean, both of these are a good 1.5 inch, 1.75 inches. And obviously the vine's a little bit softer than the tree is, but both of which it just cut right through. It just gets to where it hits the shield, the guard on there, and then it stops it. But man, that's incredible. It's so much better. It's pretty torqued up still. So once you take off the center nuts here, I keep getting it backwards because it's a reverse thread, and my mind doesn't want to work that way. Somehow, works and fits perfectly with this, I don't know really what you call those, like a little lock washer thing. I don't know, but it does fit perfectly with that hole. I tighten this guy down, it kind of torques and kind of manipulates the blade here. It's super smooth, like there was no bouncing, other than if you didn't put that up against the tree first, it would jerk the blade and throw it in to another branch or something like that. But guys, if you would, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.